Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second part of our unboxing review of the Huawei Watch S10. And on this video, we are going to explore the offered menus and features on the Watch S10. So if you are interested to see the features of the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of the Huawei Watch S10. So this is our smartwatch. Let's check out first the UI. On top we have the settings here and options. On the bottom part we have the push notifications. On the left side we have the split screen, and on the right side we have the widgets. Okay, so we have here a crown button. So this one, it's just for home and power button. It's not rotary, as you can see here. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. And as you can see here, we do have the Bluetooth call. As stated here, we do have a high definition Bluetooth calling or high fidelity Bluetooth call. We also have the automatic activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and it's stated here that it is a 24/7 heart rate monitoring. The Bluetooth call has a support for contacts, call logs, and keypad. Okay, we have a stress monitoring. Let's check it out one by one. We have the sports functions. How many sports do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and that's it. We have at least 23 sports. I think they only listed the popular sports here. Okay, it's not that much compared to other wearable with 50 or 100 sports functions. This one we only have 20 plus sports, so limited. So it tracks, let's see, the calories, steps, pace, or the distance. That's it. And of course the time. Then we have the blood oxygen monitoring. We have the sleep monitoring also. Bluetooth music control. We also have weather report, alarm, breathing exercises, push notification support, voice assistant. We also have here game. I think this is somewhat like a Flappy Bird game. We have a calculator, and included in the toolbox are stopwatch, timer, find phone, flashlight, remote shutter, and yes, we also have here the calculator outside, and it's also included here. This is the flashlight, the calculator, the timer, and the stopwatch. Okay, for the settings, we have watch face and theme. So the watch face, so these are the list of watch faces. Then going back, for the theme, that is the menu, I think. We have the list, the grid, honeycomb, spear, and chessboard. We'll also have halo here, round, sky, and square. We also have a grid type, waterfall. We also have the brightness adjustment, display duration, raise to wake, do not disturb, language support, the QR code for the app, the system and the about section. We have the Huawei S10. For the system, we have restart, power off, and reset. So that's it for the different menus and features of our Huawei Watch S10. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.